Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm so happy you're back, and today I'm gonna show you how I cook cauliflower pizza. It's so easy, so simple, really nice recipe, and the main thing, it's not crumbly. It's such a good base, it's holding it together, and it tastes like a real pizza, more or less like a real pizza. But do you know what I mean? It's delicious. So first of all, if you need the full recipe, please look at the description box. You can see all the measurements and proportions. You can see I already grated some cauliflower, and you need to just dry skillet on a stove and no oil, nothing else, just on a slowish kind of heat. You mix the cauliflower, so you need to evaporate all the moisture from the cauliflower. This is how it looks now. Next, you need to grate some cheese. I choose cheddar cheese, just normal mature cheddar cheese. You can buy it anywhere in England. 2 eggs mixed together. Next thing, I'm using some herbs and a tin of tomatoes. I quite like the combination of Italian herbs, garlic, salt, black pepper. Mix it all together and just leave it on the side. The most important thing, you need to make sure the cauliflower is not hot, so it's warmish but cold. Next thing you do, mix it together with cheese and egg mixture. On the tray I used silicone mat. You can do baking paper or anything, so it's not stuck to the actual metal tray. And the final result, look at this amazing crust. It smells fantastic. It's such a good smell. When the base is warm, you can put the other ingredients on top. So the marinara, I'll just say in my house I had some mushrooms, a little bit of olives, and I'm gonna put some cheddar cheese. I'd love to have a fresh basil, but I didn't. While my pizza is baking, I'm quickly making some salad. Quite like to have salad with my pizzas. Some radish, lettuce. It's quite easy, simple salad. It's just kind of bulk, and the main taste coming from olive oil, a little bit of salt, lemon juice and garlic. If you don't like garlic, you can use sweet onions or skip all of this and just make it simple. You can see steam coming. The smells so good. So it's just few ingredients: olives, mushrooms and cheese on top. You can put mozzarella. I didn't have it in my house, but it's up to you. I think it will be even nicer. See how it looks? It's like a real thing. It's like real pizza. I'm gonna try it now. I can't wait. I need to tell you how it tastes. See, it's holding. The base is amazing, guys. And it's so delicious. It's really delicious. Please try. We're gonna have some lunch now. This is me and my husband portions. Couple of slices of pizza, salad. Bon appetit.